Kisho holders, as you know, it is the last day of month. My friends, and this day the people doing a very big mistake. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. My friends, if you do this mistake, so you will get a loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely there's a lot of chances to you get a high amount of profit from the Kisho. So keep watch this video till the end and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. First of all, we look the latest update of Kisho, and after that we discuss the mistake of holders. So let's start. My friends, before starting this interesting video, please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for this kind of news and updates. I hope you all subscribe my channel. My friends, you can see here now on the screen the price of the Kisho at this time live is 0.0 USD dollar, my friends. That's not mean that the exact price of the Kisho is 0. No, the price is in point, the price is very low. That is why the price showing here as 0, my friends. Let me show you, friends, the price change open in the Kisho. My friends, the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change is negative, my friends. Here is the point of view, my friends. You can see that the last 1 week pricing as negative. So that's mean that the previous changes occur in the Kisho as falls down, bad change occur in the previous time. But now from the yesterday the price change goes better. I mean the price is going upward, my friends. So let me show you on the price chart. My friends, you can see that is the last 3 days price chart of the Kisho. You can see here, as I told you, my friend, that the previous last 1 day from the yesterday they take a jump. In the previous last 1 day they fast down, and the previous last 2 days you can see that is the 3 days price chart. Take a jump, fast down, take a jump. So that is the procedure. Now the pattern of the Kisho move as like that. Take a jump, fast down for a little time, again take a jump. So that's clear that the moving time, the jumping time, the pumping time of Kisho starts now. So absolutely that's clear for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Selling is the mistake of all holders because they want to sell, and if you sell, so now they are going out, they are in the jumping mood. So why you decide to sell, my friends? It's time to hold, it's time to buy, my friends. If you want to buy Kisho, so absolutely that's good. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Kisho? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.